Shelly's first Christmas.
Hello, Shell Bell.
Are you taping?
Sure. There's Mommy.
Hi, Shelly.
Auntie and Unc.
She's not like when Daddy had his first Christmas.
Are you going to do a fashion
Yeah.
show, Shelly? Maybe you'll have to do a fashion show.
All right. Oh, I don't have my...
I'll do a fashion show. Should I get some fashion?
I don't know if you're getting any fashion on. Sorry.
I mean, it's so cute.
That's it.
That is so cute.
Put it in front of her.
It's warm.
Yeah.
Here, Shelly, look. This is from
Get her in it.
Anthony and yeah, I know.
Shelly.
I'm gonna use
Shelly.
this bag. This is a good bag.
We don't want to upset her by changing her mood. She's in a good mood now.
Again, she is liking the wrapping more than...
Yeah, well, that's normal.
She's opening it.
She's
Does she
opening
need
it.
help? This doesn't have.
Oh.
We're lipping. We're lipping. There.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, you can
We're like the press, Dad.
You guys are paparazzi over here.
I know, right?
I should try to move in front of you.
Shelly, do you want to open this one to get two?
Right.
Here, take this one. Ready? Here, ready? You hold, and I'll pull. Hold. Yay! Do it. Do it some more.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh,
what is that?
It's a rat.
Guys.
It's
Johnny a rat.
This guy, Johnny.
It's one of those things, but it's soft.
Oh, what's it called?
I don't know. It's a gun one, and there's the brand.
Who made it? Who gave it to us?
Mommy.
Mommy.
And Daddy.
Mommy
Who
and
gave her
Daddy.
this?
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Mommy and Daddy.
Does it like come off that little?
Yeah, it's just like I need a scissors.
That's all right. Keep it together.
They-
Does it have rings? Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're
oh,
soft
that's
rings.
soft rings. Yeah.
She's yawning. We gotta get going.
She does.
Now the rat.
You have to know how to put the wrap back together.
Shelly, look. Blame it in my sweater. I was